Okay, the plan here is the bumper, you can see, has been apparently hit. See, there's a big dent by the license plate at some point in its past, not related to the accident that caused all this damage here. And we're gonna try and push the bumper back that way. You can see how it's off so far to the passenger side. We're gonna push it back with this big ass forklift. So, all right, Dave, you got about 3 inches. All right, right there, hold it. Okay, the foam is wedged in between the thing, so go on ahead and try it. All right, hold it. All right, pull forward. All right, there. I don't know what the hell I don't know what cracked. I heard a cracking noise. I don't hear anything. All right, back it up. All right, there, hold it. Okay, you're lined up. It's pushing the car. That's a shame. It just pushes the car.
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing really. Oh, it's getting a little better. Yeah, it is actually moving a little. Let me take a look at just how things are right now. No harm, no foul. So far, so good. It moved it a little bit.
Yeah.
Jeez. All right, hold on. It's kind of pushed the car a bit, so sort of got to be straightened out. Oh, that moved it a little. Yeah, it's a little better. Hold on. Okay. It's moved a little closer. I mean, it's moved a little closer. It looks a little bit better. I don't know how much better it's going to get. Oh. Piece of the plastic stuff broke off. Yeah, it's better. I don't know how much, better we're gonna get it, you know what I mean?
I know.
should have done this before we put the replacement headlight and marker light in.
Right?
Then I wouldn't have cared. Like that's my only concern is I don't want to break that light, the marker light.
You had to go pretty far to have that in.
Yeah, you would. Yeah.
A little more.
The car's kind of moved a lot. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hey, it's almost there, man. Alright. See, it's a lot better. I mean, maybe that's, you know, because if you look over here, the edge of the bumper is also just kind of folding in. Yeah, so.
Maybe we should leave it like that.
Yeah.
That's a hell of a lot better than it was.
Yeah, I mean, the bumper is damaged, the fender is damaged, so it all has to get replaced, and just want to make the car presentable looking enough for now. Yeah, this car hit a deer. This was all smashed. This is all folded over. This is all wrinkled here. The lights were smashed. This was smashed. But the bumper, this must have been replaced at some point. There's a big, the license plate bracket was replaced is what I mean. And then there's a big dent here and there's a big gouge here. So something happened to it at some point. I'm thinking before the deer. I think, you know, it looks better. Yeah, definitely. See if the hood closes all right. Look at that! Huh? Yeah, this section of the bumper's all bent upward.
All smashed up, yeah.
Yeah, so somebody definitely hit something with the front of this. This, you know, you can see here. I don't know if it was something as simple as somebody drove into something that was up against the wall, you know?
If we take all those clips off, we might be able to get this up enough to whack it down with a hammer.
Oh, the metal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it does look a little funny.
Well, it didn't look like that before.
Well, probably because we...
yeah. You had the thing bent up in the back so high.
Yeah.
I dip it down.
Well, it's better than it was. Yeah, you can see this is where the bumper was out pretty far before.
Yeah.
I'd say it's good enough for like you wouldn't notice it right away unless you were looking at the car really.
Yeah.
You know, it's just something for now.
This piece, when it comes time, will have to be replaced though.
Yeah?
See right here? Now that the bumper's in, you could see it actually tore it off of the...
Oh, it did, huh?
Yeah, it comes around on a 90 and bolts to the fender. Now the bumper's retracted.
Oh, yeah.
You can see that it's...
Yeah, because this whole thing was moved this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that figures.
So that will need to be replaced.
My Cadillac car!